as others are celebrating and trying to express their violence, I was saying the arresting team or the police officers taking up arrest of one of the key leaders who have opted.
Businje yasiima Regional Police ab'okutebeekanisa omushomo ogu ahugirana gwimusa abapoliisi kukora bashemereire kukora obutahutaaza abakwekarakaza omu kwesharinga.
Okuba kaire kasa kuika nosanga babaire mutabateire mu training nabo bakebwa ebizibu byabo nk'abantu ati nosanga nibasobora okuita abantu n'okutaza abantu batakigendereire baitu bwa kuija mu training eno mbajukiza nibamanya mulimo kubagenda kukora.
That can take them to another level in terms of achievement. So we are sending them for the rubber bullets. Those are not live ammos. Those are rubber bullets majorly used.
Omunyeshenjero yashaba Poriisi Obutagwera Rubaju Omukaruuru konka bakoma bokuteeza oburuuru hamwe n'ebintu byabo obwe borekyerera Karuuru k'obusinje.
Ati nkumutungire training eno nabandi batakitungire rundi egendo maiso niko ekwali bantu baingi nti butuku bantu linda obururu obu buzinda businge mukari ko obururu tutaba muno kwekubira kurora nti alongside demo ekuharazibwa kukira ngenzi yayo
yashobora ngo mushomogu timurunjo mu Albertine y'amatimba yonka konko mu ihanga lyona akugira ngo abamwe babasa kubahindura omubwire bw'obururu
tali hali Masindi honka rundi mu Albertine North ambali basirikale bano ba training ile baitu eriyo mugaso ali ihanga lyona bakwa kairi kasa kuika kukoma genda kuika mwaka okuija abamu mulinyo ba officers baba transferingire muri mu districts zindi nabo cyoko nabo bwereza bwanyu bujja kuba ni bwetagisa.
SCP Nachuha Damari, Regional Police Commander wa Albertine y'amatimba yashobora mugasho go mushomogu.
But the intention of this training was to ensure that we test our efficiency of all the equipment that we have, and we have done that. The other one was to see the level of preparedness. Right now, I'm very sure if there was any riots, we would handle it very effectively.
ASP Stephen Wandela, Chief Instructor, yashaba bayegesibwa kwereka amageza go bafuna omyanya etari emwe n'emwe kurugira anjenderaho omubatora.
So long as you accept to work as a team and exhibit the knowledge that you have acquired in different spheres in line with the public order management. Therefore, I urge you always to remain firm, treat the well-being of the public as a key aspect, because the reason why we are police officers is to ensure that we protect life and property.
Joel Tubanone, Deputy Commander Taitendekero lya Kabalet Police Training, yashobora ngo bwiro bwinja aba police ne baza kukora bewa kweyuzusya ebijire.
We cook and deliver. Most times you find officers go to the field and they never get a chance to refresh themselves and know or remember what they learned from the training schools. And at times you find those who go for specialized units become more active depending on the unit they are in.
Gasha kwa Innocent atuganyira omuri Masindi.